Hello guys, this is Celso. The idea of this video is to show you what we will be covering in the next tutorial videos. If I had to give a name for the next sequence of videos, the Y-system matrix formation technique and the Y-primitive matrix derivation for some elements would be a good one. In the first video, we will explain you how OpenDCS builds the Y-system matrix. If you're not familiar with this matrix, no worries. There is a plenty of available resources, mainly books, which explains it in details. What you have to know at this point is that OpenDCS solves the power flow problem through an iterative process over a Y matrix that represents the entire system. The system may have dozens of buses or thousands of buses, but the process is the same. In order to build the Y matrix or Y system matrix, OpenDCS first models all the elements in the system through their Y primitive matrix. Then, all these Y primitive matrices are combined together to form the Y system matrix. The process of building the Y matrix based on a bunch of Y primitive matrices is based on how the electrical elements are connected to each other. In the Y primitive matrix and Y matrix tutorial video, we will focus on this technique, not showing how each Y primitive matrix is exactly built. Then, in the following videos, we discuss about how some elements can be modeled by using OpenDCS script language and, for some of them, how the Y primitive matrix can be derived. In order to validate our deductions, we will compare them with some OpenDCS simulation results during the videos. The first element to be described is the circuit element. I will show how OpenDCS modeled it and also how to create this element in OpenDCS scripting language. For the line element, we are going to derive how OpenDCS builds its Y primitive matrix and how it can be defined in OpenDCS scripting language. There are actually several ways of doing that. We will cover some of them here. For instance, by using the wire data, line geometry, and line code general elements. For the load element, we are going to explain how their Y primitive matrix can be derived and how it can be set in OpenDCS scripting language for several types of connections. The same approach will be used for the capacitor element. Finally, for the transformer element, we are going to explain how OpenDCS models it in a simple example, and then, again, how it can be defined in OpenDCS scripting language.